Got that.
Good night. I don't know what you're doing.
Read it out loud. Read it out loud.
Jenny, read it. The most beautiful stones have been tossed by the wind and washed by the water and polished to brilliance by life's strongest storms. May your offspring reject this without witchcraft and enjoy everlasting life in tiny ham and cheese sandwiches. Love, Jackie Dawford. Are you?
Open your present.
Are you Jackie? Oh, my word, I love it. Are you Jackie?
Wait, what was Jackie?
You're hilarious. You're Jackie?
Called Jackie Dawford, and he
It's
hilarious. You guys have told me about it.
Oh my word, you're so funny. I've been like, she's my best friend.
Jenny, the night you were
Oh, here, wait, open it. Okay, bud.
The night you were chatting me saying, oh my gosh, Annie, you have to go look at what she wrote. Adam was telling me, I think I'm going to tell her on her birthday. And then
Oh my
he